single and two-digit numbers using our place value chart. So right here on the screen, I have an example of a place value chart, and I'm going to use this to visualize how I'm doing my addition. So the first problem I want us to look at is 2 plus 3. So if I write a 2 here, we're going to do 2 plus 3. And how I'm going to show this is by using our discs up here. So I'm going to have 2, and then I still need to add 3. So 2, and I go 1, 2, 3, and I can count up how many discs I have. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 discs. So the answer to my problem of 3 plus 2 is going to be 5. But let's say I want to make it a little harder, and I'm going to do 15 plus 7. So I would go 15 plus 7. So notice I put the 5 and the 7 in the ones column. 7's a little low, actually. But notice I put the 5 and the 7 in the ones column. And that way, my 1 goes over here in the tens column. So we want to make sure all the numbers are going in their right place value spot. So I'll start over here with the ones column, and I have 5. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, if you notice, I have this little box here that shows me 10. And what we know about when we get to 10, we have to move up a place value and push the rest over. So I know that I'm going to have one box of 10 moves 1 over this way. So instead of having 1 over here, I'm bumping another 1 over here. So the only thing I write down here is the leftover numbers I have. So I have 2 over here. And this group of 10 becomes another 1 over here. So I'm really putting 2 in the tens column. So 1, 2. Which means my answer to the problem 15 plus 7 is going to give me 22. So it's important to remember, guys, that when we have a box of 10 filled up or 10 discs in our place value column, that means it can't be in the column anymore. So because I had more than 10, the 2 stay in the ones and the box of 10 moves over. Let's look at one more quick video, or quick problem, I should say. So the last one I want to look at is 20 plus 11. So I have a 20, so 2 goes in the tens column, and 11 goes down here. Also, the 1 goes in the 10, and the 1 goes in the ones column. Draw my line right there. So the first thing I'm looking at over here is our ones column, and I only have 1 in the ones column. Over here, I have 2 plus 1 more, so that gives me 3. So when I add these all up, I have 3 over here and 1 here. So my answer is going to be 31. So remember, guys, the place value chart is something we can use when adding single and two-digit problems. And the place value chart is always something we can use so we can kind of visualize the addition we're doing. So I hope everybody has a great rest of their day, and good luck with math.